Ever wondered why your hair is thinning or if the things you've heard about hair loss are actually true? In this video, we'll show you how to create an interactive hair loss assessment like WebMD that keeps users engaged while helping them learn about their hair health. Here's how it works. Users are guided through a series of quick, myth-busting and lifestyle-based questions like styling products like hairspray and dye can make you lose your hair forever. Brushing your hair 100 strokes a night helps it grow. Stress can make your hair fall out. Your diet affects your hair, which can lead to hair loss. These questions are designed to feel simple and relatable while subtly helping users reflect on their habits and beliefs. Based on their answers, users receive a personalized hair health assessment, highlighting possible causes like stress, nutrition, or hair care habits. Now let's see how to build this using Outgrow. Start with the Outgrow AI Assistant. Simply ask it to generate a hair loss assessment with engaging true or false and lifestyle-based questions. Within seconds, you'll get a ready-to-use assessment. Now let's optimize the assessment according to your brand and needs. Head to the Build tab to customize your questions. You can tweak the wording, add new questions like, how often do you use heat styling tools? Do you notice hair fall while showering or brushing? Have you noticed thinning around your temples or crown? Next, move to the result or outcome screen. This is where you define your results by adding the conditional logic, such as, your hair needs immediate attention. You're doing okay, but there's room to improve. Your hair is healthy and strong. Add clear, helpful descriptions for each outcome so users understand what's happening and what they can do next. Then map each answer to the right outcome to ensure accurate results. Now it's time to design. Head over to the Design tab. Here you can customize your logo size and also change the colors of the background, questions, answers, and other components. You can also add an image or video in the background to make it more attractive for users. Once everything looks good, click Go Live. And that's it. You've just created an interactive hair loss assessment that educates, engages, and keeps users coming back for more. Ready to build your own hair loss assessment? Start creating smarter, more personalized experiences today with Outgrow.